Hi everyone, welcome to Acad Systems free online courses. I'm Hakim, and with me today, we are on the second lesson of our free online courses on Revit Architecture. Okay, and for today's topic, it will be about setting up project and drawing levels and grids. Okay, if you're not yet familiar with the Revit interface, we have that covered in the first lesson of our free online courses. You can check it out in our YouTube channel. Okay, so now let's get started with the lesson. Okay, from our home interface here, and go to the left tab, models, click new. Okay, it will bring up this dialog box, and then we will take architecture template. Okay, and click OK. Right, so it will bring us to level 0 floor plan by default. Okay, first we want to check out how many levels do we have with using this template. So I would like to go to the elevation view from the project browser. Okay, just from the east, I double click on east elevation. So from here, I can see that I have level 0 and level 1 by default. This comes with the template. Okay, so if I would like to create another one, I will just go to the architecture tab. From the ribbon, go to the architecture tab, and under the datum panel, click the level command. Okay, or the shortcut will be LL. So click here. Then I just bring my cursor here, make sure it's aligned, and click and click. Okay, so as I do that, it will create a level 2, and here it gives the height. Okay, the height at any time you can adjust. So let's say that for the level 1, I need to make it 3000. Okay, so I just click on the value here and change to 3000. Okay, so the same thing I would do for level 2. So here I want it to be 6000, right? Okay, so I have these levels. As you created this level, it will also gives you a floor plan view. So if you take a look at my project browser here, I have a level 2 floor plan. Okay, so you need to understand that in order to get a floor plan view, you need to have the level set up, right? So if you have more levels, then you can just repeat the same method. Okay, and a little bit about these levels. If you have it aligned with the others, when you move the line, it will all move together. Okay, but if you have it not aligned like this, it will basically move independently, right? So it is best for you to align all your levels together, so it will be it can be moved in a uniform manner, right? So after we set up the levels, I want to go to my level 0 floor plan and I want to draw my grids. So before I draw my grid, I would like to bring in a reference in the form of a PDF file. Okay, so I go to Insert tab. From the ribbon, I go to the Insert tab and then import PDF. Okay, and then I have the PDF file saved on my desktop. Floor plans here. Click open. So this PDF has 2 pages on it. So for level 0, it will be the ground floor in page 1, and level 1 will be the first floor, which will be on the page 2. Okay, so level 0, I'll take page 1, click OK, and just place here on the side. And then from the project browser, I double click at level 1 to open up that view. And I just repeat the process. So to insert, import PDF, select the file, click open, take the second page and click OK, paste it on the side. Right. So I go back to my level 0. So these levels can be renamed. Let's say for this level 0, I can just right click and from the project browser, just right click, rename. Actually, I want this to be ground floor. Okay. And then it will ask us, would you like to rename corresponding level and views? Let's say yes. So it will update the name even in our elevation view. As you can see, now it's updated to ground floor. I can even rename it from here. So just click on the level 1 and then I can do like first floor. Yes. Okay, and this one will be the roof level, for example. Okay, so you can either rename it from the elevation view, just click on it, or from the project browser, just right click and rename. Okay, I'll go back to my ground floor plan. Okay, I want to draw the grids according to the reference here. So I will go to architecture tab and then select grid. Okay, and then as you can see, our ribbon will change to modify place grid. So take draw line because the grids are in straight lines. So take the line and then just click and click. Okay, so depends on how you click or where is your first click. The bubble will go to the second click in my case. Okay, but no worries. You can select the grid and just check off the box at the end of the line. At the end of the grid, just check it off. And on the other side, you can check it on. Okay. So you can repeat the process. Go to grid command and click and click. Okay. Right. Just like that. Or you can also select this and use the copy command. Okay. Or the shortcut will be CO. So just click here and make a copy. Okay. So I just draw it randomly. From our reference here, there is a certain distance that has been specified. So I can just click here and it will show the distance. It is now 5,000. So I can just click on it and change it to 3353. Okay. And for the grid 3, it will be 4524. 524. Okay. So that is how you draw the grids. You can also draw for the horizontal grids. So just click and click, same thing. Okay, you might want to rename this from a number to a letter, say A, and as you continue, it will follow as B, C, and so on. Okay. And another thing you might be wondering, how do we create this break on the grid line? Okay. So let's say I will just take this grid 2 and copy it to the side. Okay. So this should be 2A. Just click on D here. So rename it to 2A. Okay. As you select this grid, you can see there is this point where it says add elbow. So just click there and then it will add an elbow where you can control and move it. Okay. So I hope this lesson will help you to understand how to create levels and grids in your project. So see you on the next free online courses. Thank you very much. Goodbye.